Welcome back guys, and suppose this is A30 mobile, Samsung mobile. You have forgot the password or pattern and you need to restart, reuse it phone. If you have forgotten your password, there is no other method by which you can reuse this phone in spite deleting all data in this phone. You should delete all data. How will you delete it? I am going to show you. This is the only one method. Just press the see here, emergency call is there. Just turn it here. Now press plus and power on key for some time, and then press it, and after some time you will see something. Okay, now see what is happening. Nothing is happening. So just press power on key and then restart it. Restart. Now it is again telling that, means press power on. You can not even restart your phone. So just go back and press again power on plus key. See what is happening. We have to wait for at least 14-15 seconds, and if it is not happening, then we will try another. I am trying to show you all the possible methods. Nothing is happening. Now see, press power on and negative key, minus key. See what is happening. It is asking for power off. We will keep it pressed. Now it is restarting. So now as soon as it's restarting, we will press plus and power off. So keep it pressed. Let us see what is happening. Keep it pressed. Keep it pressed. So now it has gone into this mode. From here, this is a recovery mode. From here you can see that here from volume key we can go and we can, this is wipe data and factory reset. Just select. Now it is asked factory data reset. Now you have to do it. I will not do it in this mobile. You have to do it. I will cancel and reboot the system. After doing this, you have to reboot the system. But please listen very carefully that you need to know the Google account or old email account by which you have signed in this mobile. Otherwise, it will always ask for that original owner's email ID to sign in. Please sign in using one of the owner's account for this device. It will ask and it will again not go into the setup mode. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. Now this is how you can reuse the system. That's all. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel.